Ikaw. Bluetooth is connected. Tinggal daw. Nice one.
Oo, nagsijoke lang.
Anong size niya?
Pero version of
Ayoko na yun. Ang good.
this is my house.
Oh,
So actually this is a family. Yeah, this is just a family house.
Welcome to Bianca's house.
we're here, guys.
Wala siya.
Basically, that's the main site that we have here in Senada. Yes. Okay.
And then today
And the next stop,
on the way to Blue Soil.
Blue Soil.
Yeah. 15 to 20 minutes walk.
15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Accordingly, on the movie, she was heartbroken. She wanted to express her full 3, 4, 4.
Wrong info, guys. Papunta pala kami sa Hang
So many information.
Hindi pala
Feels
sa
like
Blue
I'm-
Soil. Ang init. Medyo mainit.
Batak.
Welcome to Bianca's.
George, we build a creek. Something like that. Creek. For some are vacant, it's empty. That empty. It's a very nice message and it comes from
Guys, sobrang init here. And ang ganda ng view. So, puro puno here. And may mga bahay there. Pero super init. Hindi mahangin. And may spot there. Ang ganda. Grabe na photographer. Ang ganda. Patingin. Parang awasan, guys, yung tree. You can climb here, guys, if you want.
that on the top. If you notice the one with the cross, the protection from wild animals.
We're going back, guys. Wow, ang dami nilang freedom.
Rocketeer.
Ilang tubig to? Bon. Papunta na kaming Blue Soil. And here's the trail.
Pero malayo.
Medyo mahaba rin yung hike, guys. Pero I think malapit na kami and nasa half na kami. And first 10 minutes. Medyo steep talaga yung trail. Puro paakyat. But now, puro patag na lang siya. Guys, it's raining. Sana hindi ako magkasakit. Oh my God. Ang ganda ng mga trees.
We're crying again.
I know. Guys, book na kayo sa Gada Buscalan sa Aling Maliit! Single daw. Single daw. Ganapan. We're back. Here. Maliligo lang kami. Ikaw, magbibig. We're going down, guys, for dinner. Nice one. Sinuguro na. Half lang. Yeah, bugnay.
Ano, hindi,
Ako pala yung may choice. Amoy?
ba't penga ko, ay, ate penga ko.
Walang maubos eh. Medyo madaming umakyat. And sobrang damig. Oh, I think I see clouds. Oh my god! Oh my god! Lord! Oh my god, Lord. This is so cool. Photo picture run. Uy, wala pang sa... Thank you po. Thank you po.
Sa harap niya, yung nanay niya, yung tram.
Ito.
Dinosaur yun.
No sleepers.
No slippers allowed.
Nasa stage 2 na kami, guys. So cold. That's sila body tira.
Nakaside. Ganyan.
Ito na bang kapong talon?
Yes. That may nakita siyang hindi natin nakikita. Ano masasabi mo? Fan. Wow, we're fans!
Kung nakikita natin sa ulo niya, may corona. Ang pangalawa naman, double evidence po kami. Ito po sa baba.
Meron din ako. Sabi na eh! Sabi na pinag-tripan ako ni Kuya.
Dahan-dahan mo ba?
We're back sa hagdan, guys. And patapos na. We're actually here sa labas. Finally, medyo challenging siya, guys, actually. Hindi siya parang basic lang. Kailangan mo talagang gumapang sa ibang parts. And ang lamig ng water. Medyo nakakapagod tong paakyat na stairs. But super ganda inside and sobrang worth it. After this, mag-check out namin Buscalan. What a view! Ang ganda! Magta-tram kami, guys. Let's go! Ready na ba kayo guys?
No time choice, but we have to be ready. Yes.
Haba na ako.
Namumutla na siya. Oh my gosh, bigyan mo sa water.
Huwag kang titingin sa baba.
Kinakabalang ka lang. Diretso lang. On the way to Apple. Thank you, Lord! Hindi ka nakakatakot pag ka lang titiin sa baba. Grabe ka na, kuya. Thank you po. Thank you po. We're in Buscalan and nasa anong village to? Village ni Apo? Village ni Apo Wangkod. Nasa village na kami ni Apo Wangkod.
Real life Coco Ma.
Oh, si Apo Wangkod. Hala, ang ganda ng view. Look at that.
The Bluetooth is connected.
Food is ready, guys.
Buffalo wings?
We're on the way to Bus Cafe, guys, just to check it out.
Kaya nga. Good pa siya. Grabe, ano lang. Sasabi na abutan ko. Ikaw lang nanonood na.
Oh shit, that's manageable.
Sarap. Ang sarap ng coffee nila here. The best. Girl! I love Buscalan. We're on the way to the oldest lady here in Buscalan. 118 years old na siya.
Hi, Apple!
One more.
Hindi na, yung nakasalang.
Okay, so we'll go with these first.
Yes.
Kaya pa ako nabibig.
Sumunod siya. Matchy outfit, matchy phone. Matchy outfit. Matchy phone. Masag phone. Bourgeois. So chill. Sige na. Good chat. From Apo Wangkod. With feelings. Guys, look at the view. Imagine, paggising mo, ganito yung view mo. We're going home na guys, pero magte-trek pa kami ng mga 15 minutes. Going there sa kabilang bundok.
Trail runners feel like,
Yeah, yung gusto mong ma-achieve.
ikaw naman!
Ano?
Laro ka! Trail runner! Gago! Wait lang, oy gago, nakatakot to. Grabe naman pare.
Pauwi na kami guys, hindi na kami nag-tram. Kasi medyo pricey na. Or nagtitipid lang kami. And yung mga gamit na lang yung pinag-tram namin. So, we're walking papunta doon sa kabilang mountain. Which is nandun yung van. And then tatawid din kami sa bridge. Sa hanging bridge. Ang ganda here guys. I'm so happy! We're here na sa bridge guys. Finally. What? Oh my God, so ganda. Oh my God. Dito, katakot! Nakakatakot! We're here! Katagod! Hello po! What happens in Buscan stays in Buscalan.
5